Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about our Google Sheet scanner for that September contract. And today we find out stock BHEL that got triggered our almost entry point around 10.4, more than 50%, which increased. And many of them questioning about STFC AMC, why it is showing you 2389. Okay, so and the premium is trading around 865. That is what a last traded price. And due to that liquidity, the stock is not trading and the premium is zero. And there is a huge difference between the spot and future price. That is why the stock is now it is illiquid. So let me check this. And first of all, I want to clarify your doubt. So HDFC AMC as per our price. So let me go to check HDFC AMC, the stock, and on a daily time frame, I will go through here. Here is about yesterday's closing price. You can see the yesterday's closing price on the spot market. That is the HDFC AMC equity price, which closed around 2,524. Okay, so that spot closing price. If you are taking a closing price based on the spot, it's equal to 2,500 call option maybe. Okay, and but what is the difference between if I'm taking based on that? But if I'm going to go for HDFC September future, AMC future, I'm just going for F&O, HDFC, AMC. You can see this is what a call option. We need to check futures. Okay. So if you are checking the future, that closing price is 2389. So the spot price which closed somewhere around 2524. Okay, so 2524 is the spot price, and future price is around 2380 near about, and our spot is 2524. So that is a huge difference. That is why the strike price selection we are selecting based on the future. And let me go to check with the NSE and what is happening about that particular strike price, HDFC AMC and HDFC AMC. So that is the reason. So simply you can uh, avoid that. So not HDFC Bank, HDFC AMC. Okay, so let me go to check the derivative. And as of now, the option chain and historical data. And let me go for 2380. So let me first check with the future on September contract. So from we need to know. So yesterday's closing price is around 2389, 31st August, which closed around 2389. So based on that only we are selecting 2380 call option, and let me go to check whether the strike price is liquid or not. So call 2380. If the stock doesn't having a liquidity, so even though the quality stocks, we don't want to focus based on our option strategy. Let's look at this. There is no trade on that. So maybe sometimes back it is traded and that premium still never traded it. That is the reason we are seeing that mismatch in the price. Okay. So even if I'm going for a 2520 or 500 call option, that may be liquid. Okay, so that may be having volume. So currently it is trading around 30 rupees. In meanwhile, it is not trading middle some of the days. But currently the call option is 40. Same time I'm going to focus a 2500 put option. What should be the premium if I'm going to check a 2500 put option. So we need to check the premium nearby equal mostly. But in this case, it is having a huge difference. So call premium is 150, put premium is 149. So spot premium, which is working based on the spot price 149. So that is the reason we are not getting the exact value on STFC AMC on our Google Sheet. Okay. Apart from that, we are finding a BHEL, and today 122 10.4 should be our entry point. So 122 call option from this last month, it is moving well, and breakout. So this is what the past 15 minutes. The past 15 minutes high is 7.5, And after that, the second candle 930 to 945 which triggers, and immediately it went up to 15.85. So almost more than 50%, which increased, and the lot size is 10,500. And same like that, same 91 call option which given you the breakout, and mostly metal stocks I seen in the morning, it was on the top. Okay, so this monthly positional, if you are monthly positional which you are looking for, so almost four, three stocks which is more than 20%, and eight stocks is more than, sorry, seven stocks is more than 10%, and two or more than 20. So maybe in intraday that is also working well. As a positional trader, only BHL which triggers our target, and like a sale NMDC is more than 20% from our entry point and trading. So weekly positional, so we are looking for a weekly sheet is based on same concept, but it's for only one day. Already we told you about how to use it, and some of them were asking about how to know the sheets. Okay, so for that, you just go to the link, website link which I provided in the description. How to know access this Google Sheet, and how to use the Google Sheet. It's a content to know about the sheet. Okay, so you can go to the courses, and you can see this is what the course Google Sheet option sheet scanner, and there I'm charging 1200 per month, but this content to give you 97 rupees. It is here you will know how to use the Google Sheet, where to find the trade opportunities, how to find the trade opportunity, what is the strike price, everything which I am explained in this video. Okay, so after watching that and after completing that, if you are satisfied with our Google Sheet, you can purchase, and first month I will give you this 100 rupees discount on our for your first month fee. Okay, so in then you can go with that, and you can go to buy this, and with your mail ID and other things you can proceed, and then you can able to access this content. Once you are ready to I can watch that video, then I think you know so how to use our Google Sheet perfectly. And this is what is the scenario. So today, and maybe from Monday, okay, the schedule will be entirely changed. This is for only one day today. So weekly contract. So the Friday weekly close. So only today. So we find some opportunities like BHEL, SAIL, NMDC, and MCX, and GAIL India Cements. So minimum profit only because it is about like an intraday only, because only one day. So on Monday to Friday, so you will be getting fresh sheet here. Okay, so weekly positional and also temporary sheet. So a lot of stock which I seen, it was a gap up opening. So like BHEL and NMDC, SAIL also be gap up opening. Maybe India Cements to 37.5, but it is a liquid. But today it's a new contract, maybe a liquid to 37.5. That's what a strike price which you are looking for. And look at this. Still, it is a liquid on 1st of September. On 15 minutes, I think up to 2 o'clock it doesn't active. Maybe the sudden move on after 2 o'clock, so it wasn't jump, and it went up to 21. Initially, it closed by 15, and immediately moves to 21. That is also not an opportunity, but only a few opportunities which we NTPC 215, and it is about still on under testing basis. 215 call option on NTPC is I'm looking at. It's a fresh breakout which has started here, and gradually increasing around 14.2, where we got at 14.2 at this point. Maybe here this candle around 11:30 to 11:45 candle, and 14 point something it's triggered, and then it closed by 18. So 14.2 to so 18. Sorry, it's about 9 rupees. Sorry, 9 rupees where it triggers at this candle. So after 10 o'clock. So this is a perfect entry opportunity based on the temporary sheet also. But you can see a lot of stock which triggers are based on temporary sheet. So we are working on it maybe in a week's time, and I'm planning to give you that particular data in this sheet, one more sheet also, that will help you to find a intraday trade opportunity. I hope a positional trader, if you are taking any position, you know you have to keep a stop loss based on our advanced option strategy. You can keep your stop loss, and you can wait for that positional, because we started the day one, so not an issue. So we can keep holding that, and maybe in this week. So this is what a fresh month you will be seeing how many stock which is showing here in the top list, and maybe we are going to focus for a new opportunity. Only the condition is that we need to find the stock is quality, liquid, and volumeable stocks. If you are following that, so you will be finding out many more stocks, and either retracement entries or even buy side like a um, retracement or a re-entry also be possible if you are following the sheet from the beginning of this month. So weekly positional, I think this week in the day one it works good. Some of the stock which given you the more than 20%, but not a positional one. So Monday onwards the sheet will be updated and you will be getting new strike prices and it will be helping you to find out a trade opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching, and if you are new, kindly subscribe, and if you have any other questions and doubt also, you just ping me on the chat box. Thank you for watching and thank you so much. And if you want to know about the sheet, already I given the link in the description. It's about my website where you can go and find out the opportunities and you can watch the videos and how to use it. Then if you are satisfied, then you can purchase the sheet. And thank you for watching. And kindly subscribe if you are new to my channel.